Rose water is one of those godsend ingredients that can be used no matter what your skin type or concern is. Anti-inflammatory, anti-aging and hydrating. There is almost nothing that rose water cannot do. And here is how you can make the most of this. While there are enough rose waters available in the market, it is exceptionally easy to make it as well. All you really need is 2 cups of freshly plucked rose petals that are free of any pesticides. Rinse them to get rid of any dirt and now pour enough water in a saucepan to submerge it. Heat it on a medium flame till the water changes its color and then allow it to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Now cool and strain. This beauty acid works instantly to calm any redness, inflammation you might be experiencing by hydrating and revitalizing your skin. Just spritz some onto your face whenever you notice some sort of sensitivity and watch all your skin problems disappear. Rose water is easily absorbed by the skin and it gives an incredible boost of hydration which will make your skin glow. Mix 3 tablespoons of rose water and 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Now throw in a compressed sheet mask. Lay it flat and add some dried rose petals that will help add an extra level of moisture. Keep this for 20 minutes and we're sure your skin will love this. Do pimples keep visiting your face every now and then? Use this gentle yet effective concoction twice a week that will keep these monsters as well as excess sebum at bay. Take 3 tablespoons of a mild clay like kaolin or rose and mix it with a tablespoon of aloe and 2 tablespoons of rose water. Apply it all over your face for 15 minutes for a deep cleanse. Removing your makeup before hitting the sack is super important. And if you get lazy and skip this, these nourishing makeup removers will change your mind. Mix half a cup of rose water, 1 tablespoon almond oil and 3 to 4 drops of vitamin E oil. Use this to remove product and gunk and let your pores breathe a sigh of relief. Dark circles might be stubborn, but regular care can definitely brighten them over time. All you need is 1 tablespoon of rose water and 1 tablespoon of milk in a bowl. Mix and soak a cotton pad into this and cover your under eye area with this for 20 minutes. Let this 2-ingredient magic remedy do its wonders and you will surely notice a difference. We hope these rose water remedies come to your rescue, giving you healthy and flawless skin. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.